Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth video. In the last video we saw the analyst agent. So using the agent you will be able to like do analysis before dev. So the analysis will be literally on just requirements and the repo. So to say like it will check what's already there, and then it will go check the requirement and see like what's missing, what's not clear, what's clear. So those kind of information actually you can get using the analyst skill. On today, we are going to see something called the strategist. Okay, I would like to call it strategist, but it's actually the planning agent which we bring in when there is an MR ready. Okay, the minute someone pushes an MR, and then if you have to like do some testing on top of the MR changes, if you have like branch preview, or if you have like a QA environment where you check what exactly changed and stuff and all, so that's where you have the plan view. Okay, and you can run this plan view on the plan agent on just any single ticket or on an epic basis also. It's up to you. Okay, the plan will work. So you can either give the MR or the pull request actually as part of this plan, or if you want to just to run this plan on top of just the repo and the ticket, it's good. Okay, it will still work. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you guys actually like how this the strategist agent is gonna work. So let's get started. So this is the same repo I'm using, and I'm gonna use pretty much same ticket and stuff and all. So last time we saw this repo, right? Yeah, and I have a PR for the ticket that I showed you guys last time actually. So for this ticket now I have a PR here. So the pull request is ready, and we need this link, and we're gonna need this ticket ID and followed by the repo to kickstart this agent. Okay, see, you can actually like literally program your agent to directly get the information from, like you see I have added an extra detail here for merge request. So it's very simple to get the link from this merge request, but not every company will offer those kind of like flexibility when it comes to changing these information stuff and all. So this is like my own personal thing, that's why I can show it. And but not everywhere actually. Most of the companies will go for this development like extension actually they have. It's up to the people actually. So that's why I'm showing you guys with by providing the repo and MR directly feeding them into the agent. Okay, so just an alternative way. You can still use directly the agent to capture all this information from the Jira ticket, and then use that to get the MR. That will save you a lot of work, because once you got the MR, you can literally figure out the Git URL actually, because it can be sourced back, and you don't need anything. You just need give the ticket ID, and then it will do all the work for you. So just a disclaimer, okay, for you guys. If you want to give it a try, if you want to try it out, go ahead and do it. Maybe share your agents actually. I'd be like happy about it. But yeah, but just to make sure that everyone can use it, I'm actually giving repo, MR, everything differently in the agent. And also it will make the workflow a little bit more easier. Okay, there might be some time it will fail actually like along the way. So to make it very universal, to make it like much more better for everyone to use it, I'm doing this way. But you're welcome to formulate your agent to directly get the information. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, anyway, uh, let's get started. All right, so we need a few more different agents actually. For in this case, you can see here I have strategist here, and this is the agent I have added, and there are a few steps I've added here too. The first step is pretty much the same as the one I've shown you before. 0 and 1 are pretty much the same, and 2 is also pretty much the same. In 3 we have a step where it will try to get the MRPR difference. So it will use the git command to like get the difference actually. Once the difference is done, it will start to like do some analysis and all the stuff actually. It will look for the provider. It will do the basic things that you can do on like the MR and PR. It will get the file differences and everything. and then followed by the actual plan skill. So we haven't added the plan skill yet. I will add them now actually. So I'm gonna get the plan, and if you notice so closely, actually it also needs MRPR skill. Both of them are there in noob-tester-skills repository, which again I will add part of this video. But yeah, but I have those skills right here. I'm gonna paste them. There you go. So I have the MRPR and the plan skill now. Uh, Everything else is already there. So this is ready for cooking. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to do something. All right. Anyway, it's a little bit bigger agent, but I'm gonna share this agent as soon as I publish this video, so they all will be ready for you in the same code base actually. So I'm attaching that code base also in the video, so don't worry, it will be there. You guys can actually always like use this code base to like check how it works and stuff and all. But anyway, let's see what we can do. Now I'm gonna say like let's use the strategist. Yep, voila. On Jira, I'll copy the name. So that's the Jira ID with repo. So we have done this before. It's pretty sweet to get the SSH, and I've already explained why I go for SSH and why I don't recommend the HTTPS. Please get on board. And MR, so in this case PR. So we have the PR link here. Okay, voila. I think the skill is equipped to get the repo link from the PR. So in this case, if you just give PR, it will still work. I think so, but yeah, let's do it. It's right. The noob tester settings list. Okay. I'm doing this for some other purposes. I will for sure add a video to explain like why I have the settings. I have like few plans actually on my mind to use settings. That way, if you are gonna only work with one set of CI/CD tools, then you don't have to go through all these crazy things of giving all the stuff. So I'm gonna give people with nice tools and stuff actually to set it up, and then just give the Jira ticket ID or any other ticket ID to like get it working, getting up and running. But it's in the future. It's for the future. I will for sure like work towards it. But for now, just FYI, yeah. There you go. It started getting the PR. Okay, you can see it started to notice the difference in files. So now it starts to understand like what is changing. And it will save all those information in the ticket cache also. In case if I run the same command today to get something, actually it will get all these things from the cache. I've been talking about this cache, but I'm 100% sure I haven't shown you guys the actual cache. Maybe I'll show now. Okay, 4040. Here it is. So this is the context cache, and you see for this particular ticket there are like a lot of cache. It's here. Okay, the link tickets are cached. The MR difference is right now it's getting cached. The MR metadata is being cached. Parent issue is cached. Remote links are cached. So all those information are cached. You can actually like simply remove them. You can also like invalidate whatever that is stale. So I think the maximum time I've set is like 1 day. You can see all the minutes here. Actually that's like 1 day here, but yeah, but that's the cache. Okay, you can go out and purge stale. That what it will do, it will remove all the stale data that is there in all the tickets actually that you're working on. But yeah, but you'll get the idea. That's how cache works. Anyway, you can see here it's almost done. It's saving the plan, and then it is also saving test steps and stuff and all. I will explain all these things in detail what it's exactly it's doing. Anyway, so as you can see, it's done. The session is done, run is done. It understood what and all file got changed, what and all concerns actually that passed, what and all planning it actually like it planned, and the test coverage, everything. Okay, so it's great. But let's go check it out in the UI. Okay, what we have. So in the dashboard, you'll be able to see like wait, yeah, sorry. You'll be able to see like the phase. So it used to be just plan analyze, now it is actually in the plan phase. Okay, the same you can see it in the dashboard here also. uh, and let's go check the plans. Okay, see this one is new, it's just populated actually, and you can see like there is like 10 steps. Let's go inside and check. Okay, so first of all, when it comes to planning, you see it has like the strategy, the feature importance, all this information. You know, it will even maybe say like, okay, your automation scope for unit test cases and stuff. So it's going to give you like almost all the information that you would need. It would require another set of eyes. Okay, do not blindly judge what AI gives to you, but in this case the maximum you're going to do is review. Okay, review and edit few things here and there. Okay, that's the max you're going to do. And there is also like the test notes and priority it is giving. I think that will come here too. Yeah, so whatever you see here, the same thing actually it's going to see here too. It will even give you the MR, it actually reference and all the information. So this is like basically your test plan. If you need, you can actually like get all of this as a PDF again. Okay, or MD file. I've never shown you guys the MD version because I don't want to use the viewer and show it to you guys. But if you want, you can do it as like a tab as a PDF, or the entire thing as a PDF. You know, up to you. If you want, you can delete also. Okay, yeah, there is a delete button, and then you can run again and see and stuff and all. But doesn't matter. So in the order, you can see right, there is a ordering here under Scrum. If you run multiple plans, so the plans actually like stack up here. So the latest one will be on top. This is the same for analysis also. The more you add actually, the more you'd be able to see here too. So you'll be like seeing multiple ones. Anyway, so that's it. Now we have plan, and then we have steps. I think steps is something haven't shown. So it will start to actually give you what and all steps actually you can think of to to actually like test this. Okay, this is not test cases, this is not test case steps, nothing like that. It's more like actually what and all steps actually it is confident about, and what and all category it will put them in, and what, or like the status is again it's work in progress, don't worry about it. And the priorities, like, you know, they're all like higher priority things actually. And you can see it says that it's not linked to any test case here. Again, that's work in progress. I don't want to confuse you guys, but the idea is actually like it will give you like a 10-step process of verifying this particular feature change. Okay, so when sign up is added, so these are the 10 steps actually you have to like take to verify this properly. And that's exactly what it's giving you. It's a nice thing actually to have. And when you create test cases, your test cases will actually feed from this information. It's like data that was ready for it in this app actually. So it can simply like get the information from here and say like, okay, yeah, this is what done by plan. Okay, maybe I'll take care of it. Okay, maybe it's like a simple input you can add actually for your test case creation. Anyway, so this is it. That's all I want to actually show for test plan. And I will see you guys in the next video. And in the next video, we are going to cover test case creation. And for the test case creation actually, I will maybe add another skill actually that is like custom made for this app. I will think about it. Okay, but for now, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next session. Bye bye, and take care. I have to cut, sorry. But yeah, see ya guys, bye bye.